The Englishsoccer. History. The true origins of soccer are unknown, but there is evidence that a similar game was played in China more than 2,000 years ago. The basis of modern game can be traced to a medieval village ball game in 19th century, then developed in the boys' school of Victorian England. The original game was revolutionized in 1863 with the formation of the English Football Association. In 1904, FIFA, Fédération Internationale de Football Association, was founded in Paris. Description: Two teams of 11 players try to maneuver the ball into the other team's goal. Games last a total of 90 minutes, split into two 45-minute halves. However, soccer matches have officials had time at the end of each half to account for stoppages like injuries and goal celebrations. The rules: the ball can't be touched with the hands or the arms. Only the goalkeeper is permitted to handle the ball in his penalty area. If you hurt an opponent, you get a foul and they get a free kick. If you hurt an opponent in your penalty area, the other team gets a penalty. If you get a red card, you are out in the next game. The team. The team is composed by 11 players. The rules are striker, midfielder, defender, goalkeeper. The English competitions: Premier League, FA Cup. Most important English teams: Manchester City, Manchester United, Liverpool, Tottenham. Most famous English football players in history: David Beckham, Bobby Charlton, Bobby Moore, Wayne Rooney. England men's national football team. The history of England men's national football team, also known as the Three Lions, begins with the first representative international match in 1870. It is one of the oldest teams in the world with Scotland. England now competes in the three major international tournaments contested by European nations: the FIFA World Cup, the UEFA European Championship, and the UEFA Nations League.